I have many people ask me what to do about a panic attack. I'm Ron Ovitt, Mr. Change Agent. I'm a pastoral counselor, recovery coach, and author of the Overcoming Anxiety seminar. I remember the first time I experienced a panic attack as an adult. It was on a busy street. I had come out of a meeting where I had been triggered. I felt I was going to die. My heart was beating. I even started to dissociate. It felt I was floating over the sidewalk. It was everything I could do to not get hit by a car as I crossed the street to get to my vehicle. What do you do when you experience panic? Well, here are 4 phrases that will help you overcome a panic attack and will retrain your brain. You can count on this. If you name it, you can tame it. Now, here are the 4 phrases. Number 1, this is a false alarm. It's not an attack. It's simply an overactivation of the limbic system, pumping adrenaline into your system. Stop. Take a relaxing breath. Do it again. Take a deep, relaxing breath. 2, the second phrase, it's a faulty wiring. I have simply been triggered. There is no real reason for this to happen. There is no need to be concerned. The third phrase is, I'm not going to die. Listen, there is no real danger. No one has ever died from a panic attack. Say it, I'm not going to die. And then 4, I will ride the wave. What goes up must come down. It's like surfing. The wave is big. Hop on it and ride it as it gets smaller and smaller and dissipates into the shore. Now here are the phrases again. This is a false alarm. It is faulty wiring. I'm not going to die, and I will ride the wave. If you want to know more about this and how to overcome anxiety, go to ronovitt.com. That's ronovitt.com and look up our Overcoming Anxiety seminar.